Okay, today I'm going to give a very brief tutorial on editing CSS on a local WordPress site. However, the main point of this is just uh, showing that it is possible to edit CSS within a WordPress theme. Most of them, anyway. Let's just get started and go to my local WordPress install. This is right on my main machine because it's something I enjoy doing anyway. Why not go ahead and I know this site is going to be something I'll probably use. Okay, and of course here's what I've got. Now, I noticed that by default, and let's just go ahead and I'll explain this. By default, the text on the site is darker color. Also, kind of hard to read as far as the font as well. So that was something I wanted to change. Now, with this particular theme I have, let's go to here. And right now I'm using this theme called The Next. And you can see its default settings here, or how it would normally look default. Editing CSS in this theme is very easy. In this case, there's actually a spot right here, Custom CSS. And I have already changed a few things here, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and sort this out the way I had it before, so that you can easily tell what I've done. First, the body color. It was a white like you would normally expect. I wanted gray. Very simple. A normal CSS tag like you would put in your style sheet. Or that you would put in perhaps a style tag in your heading, maybe. Anyway, just right here, you could copy and paste your entire CSS style sheet into this, which is essentially what I did. And as you can see, body, background dash colors gray. I wanted to make the text white as well. And that will override any other settings, unless you go into your page or post locally and put a style tag in. Also, the font itself, there's several options here. Liberation Sans, that's probably one that most people might not have. So Arial is a nice backup, and sans serif if we fail on the first two. Font size medium, that does make it a lot more readable on this page, and let's just completely cut this out, and you will be able to see that things change. Well, I guess I should probably save that change first. Alright. And as you can see, after changing it and saving the change, it's much different. A little bit harder to read, generally speaking. Now these were kind of done that, and you can tell on these links here, that's what it would generally look like without my intervention with the CSS. I'm just going to go ahead and put that back in. And save that. Alright, let's go back to our, thank goodness, our opening page here. Excellent. And I didn't change a whole lot here. I did want to make the links underline. I noticed that they weren't in the original style that was default with this particular theme. We'll cut that and save it. Let's see what we have now when we... And sometimes this being done locally, it's there we go. You can see that this isn't underlined. They wouldn't know to click that maybe if I didn't have that underline link there. Everything's a little bit different now. Also, the projects, really important. I kind of want them to know that those are links. You can go to YouTube and view the video. Just like that. And this is basically Videoception now. In any event, that is pretty much the entire burrito for this particular video. Super easy to throw your CSS style sheet just right here into your WordPress site. There are other themes. I haven't had this experience, but other themes, apparently some of them will not easily allow you to change that, but there are plugins that will give you that functionality. But again, it's not something that I have personally seen, thankfully, because I don't particularly like adding plugins to this. I just go bare metal as much as I can with this sort of thing. Thanks and enjoy.